Well, no, it's only tomorrow, huh? And a big happy birthday to you, but it will be tomorrow.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Today is cooking day. I said always the 24th is cooking day. So what is happening your side? What's cooking good looking?
Well, I love traditional ways, so for me it is lamb, leg of lamb, and gammon. I've got ox tongue, and yeah, and then it's the normal salads, and then all the desserts. And I've got pecan nut pie.
Christmas theme. We are talking about what is on your Christmas plate, the big debate, gammon or braai. So if you guys want to get inside our community, click the link in our profile. Now's the time to join because there is so much excitement in our community. We have
Mom's,
people join.
Mom's got the last word. Gammon!
Yay! It's our favorite. We're also doing the gammon and the turkey and all of that. So we are very excited. And of course, birthday cake.
That's a must.
But first, let me tell you guys what happened when I was shopping. And we were at Walmart and it was raining and I fell in the mud.
So you literally left your mark in the new Walmart.
Okay, and let's chat about what is happening inside school. Can I just say there are communities there on fire? What is school? And if you guys missed our videos, what is school and what can you benefit from it? Mom is the school expert, so she can tell us more.
Okay, but first let me give you some background, or not background, give you some stats. I believe that we are now 20 million people on school.
Wow.
And 200,000 communities. And the community that makes the most money, over $500,000 every month.
Wow. So if you haven't joined us yet in school, what are you waiting for? Go and check out the link in our profile because you guys would want to join us.
Okay, you must look behind you. You've got a ghost there. The door's just open.
Yeah, it's school holidays, as you guys know, so there's ghosts in our house.
Okay, then back to school. Okay, school, I call it school because South Africa is school, Afrikaans school. It's very much like putting all your social media platforms together.
Oh, yes.
Where you can go and post, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. And it's all there forever. And if you want to search, it's so quick. You just put in, let's say you want a recipe for cake, you put recipe cake and it will bring up the recipe. So share what you like about school.
Okay, so what I like about school is, and something I really heard the other day, so Mom and I've been doing a lot of research on school as well to really compare it to the other social media platforms. This is real connections and real value that it's bringing. You can't just be banned unless you're not being lacquer and Mom and I ban you. Other than that, school is genuine connections. So that's what I love about school. And if you want that genuine connection with other fellow South Africans from all over the world, let's really, really build the school community. Go and check out the link in our profile and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I agree 100% with you. And at the same time, when you actually like and subscribe, you can actually be part of our charity organization.
Yes.
So you'll be sharing that as well. Plus, you'll be able to earn a little bit of pocket money. Just what you need for January for school fees and stationery.
Also, that's a big thing for me. On the other social media platforms, you can create a community, but nothing like this. I mean, you can actually earn a little bit of an income through the school affiliated program. So that's why we charge so that you guys can earn that extra affiliate. So
go
and check it out.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah, it's a little bit, but you know what? It's in the end a little bit add up. Imagine starting now and by this time next year, how much you will have actually saved up for that little bit of extra. It can go towards your skid stationaries. It can go towards Christmas presents. It can cover a whole somewhere.
That's so true. So yeah, go and subscribe and join us because the more the
There
merrier.
we are. So, guys, thanks for joining us today in our Christmas edition with me, Tamsin, and Mom, Pat. We wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas, and we really look forward to what the new year is going to build inside our school community. So come and join us.
And a happy 21st birthday to you tomorrow.
Yes, forever 21.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.